Hello everyone, welcome back everyone to the NASCAR Heat 5 for the Truck Series Career Mode. So we're going off to Las Vegas. Alright, so this is how the points look, because of course the numbers are gone. So it's now we start the round of 8. We eliminated 2 drivers. We eliminated Jordan Anderson and Austin Hill from the round of 10. Now we're in the round of 8, so it's me with a plus 91 point lead on the cut line. Stuart Friesen in second, plus 14. Third's Johnny Sauter, plus 7. Fourth, Brandon Fager, plus 4. And now for the below of the cut line. It's Brett Moffitt, minus 4. Ross Chastain, minus 5. Todd Gilliland, 7th, minus 5. And Matt Crafton in 8th, minus 6. Alright, so we go off to Las Vegas. A win will go us into the championship. Let's hop onto it. Alright, here we go for the round of 8 in the playoffs. For the next round, Josh Rim, be a pal. John McGinty has been struggling all weekend. And Todd Gilliland failed pre-race inspection. Oh boy, let's get on to it. Green flag, we begin the round of 8 at Las Vegas. 14 laps, 12 laps on fuel. We end up starting 7th in this race. A win will get you into the championship. A win will get you into the championship. It's going to come down to this one if we're going to have enough for this one or not. Because like we say, we had over a 91 plus point lead, so, and now we go for the lead. Shut the door. Got it. New leader, 48. Got 12 more, 10 laps on fuel. We're going to try to keep on going. Well, it's definitely been a while right now, and of course now my tire's about like 40%. 2%, yeah. It's going to blow. With 6 laps to go. There it goes. I just blew a tire. I'm coming in. Alright, now I got 6 seconds of damage. I'll deal with that later. Just give me right sides and give me enough fuel for the finish. Alright, we gotta go. Whoa! And we're about ready to get lapped. Get away from them. I think we're finally having drivers coming down pit road, it looks like. Ross Chastain is on pit road. Clear high. Oh, you piece of junk! No point! I'm stinking real. Well, I think it was probably Brett Moffitt that brought out the caution. Ah, great. Well, now, that changes everything. Well, that stage is over. 57 laps to go. 7 laps left on the tank. I gotta come down here and fix this. 6 seconds of damage. Urgh. Now, fun part, we gotta come from the back. Thanks a lot, Brett Moffitt.
Alright, you're coming.
Oh, great. Now we got to come back from back here. How many laps we got left to go anyway? 15 and 12. Now, fun part. From the back now. Thanks a lot, Bubba. Whoa. I can't believe no stage points in that first stage. We would have, of course, if my stupid tires would have just hold. If my tires would have just held up, we could have had stage points. But no. And then Brett Moffitt had problems. And Brett Moffitt's a playoff driver, so he's already got problems. But welcome, we all got problems. How many laps we got? We got 10 laps left in the tank. I think about might come down pit road a little bit earlier. We got 13 laps to go. I'll probably knock a couple more laps off, and I'll probably come down pit road and want to get as close as I can get. So I can't believe no stage points. Thank goodness we had that 91 plus point lead of the cut line. Because if we finish like that, that would suck. That would actually complete suck. Because the only thing we need is just a win just to move on. We got 12 laps to go now. Knock probably another lap off or two, and then probably I might just come down pit road a little earlier. Now people would say, John, that's crazy.
Careful, still there.
So, wow. Right now we're trying to get 4th place. Ah, piece of junk. 10 laps to go. We got 6 laps left in the tank. Alright, well, now the caution's out. I'm coming down pit road, 4 tires and fuel. Alright, so now we have a shot to get stage points. This time, let's do it, not screw up this time. Alright, so we're gonna have about 4 laps to go. 5 to go, I mean. My math's not right. Now we have a shot here to get some stage points, which we can use. Well, right now we're in the final lap here of stage 2. The final lap. Thank goodness. At least we're going to get some stage points in this stage. Because every point counts and for you a shot to go into the championship. But we just want to win the race. We're going to come out and win stage 2.
Great job.
There we go. We will take that. Well, we got 38 laps to go. I am coming down pit road, 4 tires and fuel. Okay, it's time to get to work. How many laps are we going to have left? 35 laps to go, 12 laps on fuel. A win will get us into the championship. Because I don't want to go to Talladega, and just in case something happens at Talladega, which I don't think something will, but you just never know at Talladega. You just don't know. I just want to win here to make sure that I do secure. Plus, by you winning, you get more money. With 34 laps to go, only thing I can do is just block and just hang on for dear life. We're probably going to have to pit 2 more times. I'm going to try to keep going here. Okay, well, we're back, and now we're back under caution with 30 laps to go. I am coming down pit road, 4 tires and fuel. Oh, that's just great. Ah! Oh, boy. 26 laps to go. This is just going to get more interesting. Are you kidding me? Trying to ruin this for all of us here? Like they're trying to come and spoil the party. Well, I'm afraid fresh tires are just going to beat on scuff seats. See you later, new leader, 48 back in the lead. Oh man, we are pulling away from them. Let's just keep on going. Ah, you piece of junk. Well, now we're back under yellow. Well, we got cars pitting, we got cars staying out. I'm coming down pit road here. 4 tires and fuel. Oh, I think I was stupid. Yes, I am. Darn, 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 darn. Now I'm back here in this mess. What the crap was I thinking? 20 laps to go. This is not good. Well, at least we can come back from the field. I go think really. One bad race ain't gonna hurt. There's Ross Chastain in the back. Every spot counts as a point. Oh, no. We don't want to go full wide. Stuart Friesen's back here. Grant Finger's in the lead. Oh, now it moves us up to 7th right now. There, now this right here will move us back into 6th place right here. And we got fresh tires. How many laps do I have left to go? 17 laps to go. 8 more laps left on fuel. So we will have to make one more pit stop. Now I got 2 playoff drivers I gotta try to figure out how to get around. That's gonna be the fun part. Teammates in the championship. Trying to see which one's gonna be in the championship. Hopefully it's near where I want in the championship. Probably more than these guys. Everybody probably wants to be in the championship. I'm going 3 wide. Hey, freshies, 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 freshies. Later, new leader, 48. No one can beat the freshies. I'm gonna keep on going. Yahoo! Oh boy, now we got drivers pitting. I got 4 more laps. Close to like another 3 more laps left in the tank. Oh, you piece of junk! Why? What is wrong with this game? Every time I get ready to go do something fun, and then the caution has to come out. Well, I guess I'm coming down here. I have 4 tires of fuel. Jump! Are you kidding me? Now we got to go all the way back here. 9 laps to go. We got to get. We pass 1 car per lap. That ain't going to work. We're going to have to pass like 15 cars. 14 trucks. And crap reel. We're going to have to pass like 5 trucks per lap. Or more. I got 8 laps to go left in this race. 8 more to go. 8 more to go. When we cross the stripe here, about 7 laps to go. I got 7 laps to go right now.
That one is tough. All clear. That one inside.
6 laps to go.
Careful, still there. Stop freaking if you need it.
Really? Penrode's trying to block for your teammates? Really? I don't have time for this.
Follow down the inside. All right, you're clear.
5 more.
5 to go, 5 to go.
5 laps to go. I gotta figure out how to get around Ben Rhodes. Figure out how the crap. Oh, there we go.
Down the outside.
I think we got him. I think we got him. I think we got him. Yeah, there we go. We got him. Oh, now we gotta go catch Johnny Sauter. That's next. When the leader crosses the stripe, we're gonna have 2 laps to go. I'm gonna have 2 laps to try to figure out how to get around Johnny Sauter.
Good show, driver.
2 laps to go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Here we come. More contact.
Gotta go low now. Bottom 3. Get it if you need it. Hold your line. Got one outside.
This is a fight for the championship.
All clear.
White flag.
Got 1 to go.
Final lap here at Las Vegas. Oh my goodness. I think we got it. After not making it for the championship in our first season, we did it! Ah!
Nice job.
Finally some redemption. What's up, everybody? Yeah. Man, after being stressed and everything, we go to the championship. We have a shot right here to win this thing. Oh, yeah! Well, here's the finishing results. We won the race, and we go to the championship. With Johnny Sauter second, Matt Crampton third, Stuart Friesen fourth, Ben Rhodes the top five. With Grant M. Finger, Zane Smith, Austin Hills, Sheldon Creek, and Austin Wayne Self the top 10. Spencer Boyd, 11, good run for him. And we'll let you look at everybody. Ross Chastain finished 25th. Ross Chastain finished 15th, I mean. All the way down to Ben Rhodes. Mike Harmon finished 13 laps down. John Fogelman had problems, 23 laps down. And one of our playoff drivers, Brett Moffitt, had problems. 57 laps down. Ouch. And with that right there, there's the updated points. Right now I'm in first place. We advance to the championship with Stuart Friesen second plus 10. Johnny Sauter in third plus 5. And then fourth, Grant M. Finger plus 3. And then below it right now is Matt Crampton in fifth minus 3. Todd Gillen minus 28. Ross Chastain in seventh minus 30. And Brett Moffitt minus 46. Ouch. There we go. A win. We go to the championship. We don't have to worry about Talladega. We do not have to worry about Martinsville. We get beat. Oh! Alright, so be going off to Talladega. We don't have to worry about nothing anymore because we only got Talladega and we got Martinsville. Only 2 races left of the regular season. We have advanced into the championship, so we don't have to worry about Talladega or Martinsville now. That is sweet, sweet, sweet. I appreciate you all. Thank you all so much. We move on to the championship. The question is, who will join me? We'll probably find out maybe another one in the next episode. I appreciate you all. Thank you all. We'll see you all at Talladega.